Can your child set any number, 0 to 9, in 3 seconds? Watch what stops them. Tonight, parents, in 6 minutes, they will. Imagine the path the brain wires when they see a pattern instead of counting. Quick prediction. Which silhouette is 7? 2 lower beads? 5 lower beads? Or upper bead plus 2 lower? Upper plus 2 lower. 5 plus 2. 7. Watch the pattern, not the count. Reading a word, you don't spell CAT. You see CAT at once. Counting beads is the same trap, because the brain has to start over for every bead. Pattern recognition reads the rod whole. The shape is the answer. Imagine the rod as a single shape, not a row. Show 8. Upper bead 5. 3 lower beads 6, 7, 8. Don't count. See the pattern. Upper plus 3 lowers equals 8. The reason this works is one bead carries 5 units in a single move. The whole range. 0 nothing. 1, 2, 3, for lower beads only. 5 the upper bead. 6, 7, 8, 9 upper plus lowers. 10 silhouettes. 10 patterns. Memorize the shapes. 5 concepts down. Now, the trap and the fix. Counting? Slow. Pattern? Instant. Show 8. Upper plus 3. Done. Think for a moment. Imagine you flash digits to a friend, 1 per second. Can your child read them just as fast? Pattern recognition is the only path. Counting cannot keep up. Mistake seen. Pattern locked. Now your child's turn. Practice 1. Show me 3. 3 lower beads up. Don't count, see the pattern. 3. Like steps. Now check your child's bead count. 3 lower up, upper still resting. Lock the shape. Practice 2. Show me 8. Upper bead first, that's 5. Then 3 lower beads up. Don't count, see the shape. Upper plus 3. Now check. Upper at the beam, 3 lower at the beam. Lock the shape. Practice 3. Show me 9. The biggest single digit. Upper bead first 5. Then all 4 lower beads up. See the full shape. Now check. Upper plus all 4 lower at the beam. That's the upper limit on one rod. Lock it. Quick check. Which pattern is 7? A. 2 lower beads. B. 5 lower beads. C. 1 upper plus 2 lower. D. Upper bead alone. The answer is C. 1 upper plus 2 lower. 5 plus 2. 7. Quiz done. Here's what to take away. What you locked today. Pattern, not counting. Upper bead is 5 in one move. Combine upper plus lower for 6, 7, 8, and 9. 3 seconds is the goal. Tonight, flash any digit your child sets it. Quick recall. Without looking, how many lower beads make 7? 2. 5 plus 2. 7. Parents, tonight, flash any digit 0 to 9. Your child has 3 seconds to set it. If they count out loud, replay the pattern recognition scene together. One replay carves the path. Quiz at tamilgeniuslab.com/quiz/lesson4. Tell me in the comments which pattern is hardest. See you in lesson 5 where we make speed the rule.